Hello, today I'm with Mak Enterprises, and I wanted to hear having an interview for his company.
Yeah, we wait. There was a you have one of the.
Do you want to
I would recommend
introduce
you
your
go,
company?
save you time.
Just
You didn't have
your
to do $5
introduction,
to
your daily work,
ends up
and
not being
your
tell them.
Hi, my name is Mak. We rebuild TIPMs, or the circuit boards inside TIPMs, which are for Chrysler vehicles. People send them in, we replace the mechanical relays that go bad, or drivers, or other components. And over time, we found we need more and more components, and UT Source has been a great source for us to find these hard-to-find components that are either obsolete or on back order.
So we see that you use these parts. So it's MC33984.
Yeah, you know, if you need a rebuild, there'll be instruction on how to send it back to
And
us.
some of these parts, what do you use them on? How do you integrate the parts that you buy from UT Source into your work?
So those parts are actually, they act like solid-state relays on these circuit boards in the fuse box, which is in the vehicle. What they do basically is if someone turns something on or off, it's able to act as a switch. And over time, with the heat in the cabin, in the engine compartment of the vehicle, they'll fail over time. So, and these are really hard to find because they manufacture, these are for vehicles that were manufactured 10 or 15 years ago. So trying to find them from other sources was nearly impossible, but UT Source was able to find them and get them for us.
Okay. Also, though, we see that you've been ordering from us for a year. How's our products and our service? How's UT Source as a company?
As a company, you guys are really great. The response time is really good. To tell you the truth, I was a little bit nervous initially, not knowing who I was working with, who are these people. Are you guys actually here? I mean, I was shocked to find out you guys are able to even come and visit me. So initially I was a little bit nervous, but after I started placing some orders and getting the parts and inspecting them under a microscope, making sure that they are good components and are going to work, we've been really happy and continue to purchase from you guys.
Well, that sounds great. Lastly, I just want to ask if you have any advice for UT Source, our company, and maybe advice for our website, how we should improve in the future.
Yeah, I mean, I think by doing this, reaching out would be really great. Maybe up front, an email or something introducing, saying, hey, by the way, we're here in the U.S. So we've got an office here in the U.S. That would be really, really huge because that would have, off the bat, gave me more confidence. You know, maybe a little bit, you know, when I search for something that you guys might not have, maybe the option of an easier way of it getting to you guys so you could see, you know, be able to reach out and say, hey, I know you search for this, you don't see it, but this is something we might be able to help you with. Because that's something where it gets, in our line of work, it can get really frustrating trying to look for parts, looking in multiple places, and no one really gives you any good information. But overall, your site's been really surprisingly easy to use. The shipping is really fast, really, really fast. I'm very impressed. I thought when it said, you know, 3 to 5 days, or I thought it's some kind of joke. But no, you guys have come through, so I'm really, really happy with you guys.
Yeah, we will definitely improve because I just started working in the customer service. I've seen like, yeah, a lot of customers have a lot of demands.
called MESA.
It's going to take UT Source to work to meet all these demands, and I hope that we can create a better interface of if the customer asks for a product, that we can have a good communication to give you the product that you want and to give you reliability and check on the product so that you can successfully get the product that you desire.
Yeah, absolutely. That follow-up goes a long way. We've, you know, with our company, we follow up after a week or two with all of our customers and ask them, you know, how was your experience? How was the part? How's the product? And you know, we found like for us, it's been going a long way. And obviously, this you guys being here is huge. It makes us want to continue to do business with you guys.
Thank you for your
My pleasure. Thank you for coming by.
Around a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's fine. Just
You want to see this area where we
yes,
do our,
that's the unit use. Yes.
we do our and this is where our senior engineer works in designing our new products. our office, phone call, to our data entry and design.
Yeah, it's good.
They're on lunch break at the
Yeah,
moment.
yes. Yeah, Sandy.
And this is where our technicians work. This is where they're opening,
Yeah.
testing, repairing the components. This is our stock. So the parts that we rebuild, because we do rebuild a lot and we have them in stock, so we can ship
That's
those
great.
straight to the customer.
It's great. Thank you for the visit.
Yeah, you're
Really
welcome.
appreciate it.
Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you.
My pleasure.